Hey, it's Nyanevsky, and today I want to show you how to play this song, Nothing Else. It is such a beautiful song. It's fairly new, but I will tell you this, it is so hard. Like, I had to just sit here for probably about half an hour to just get the melody of the song. So I'm going to try to explain it as best as I can, and if there are parts where I am not perfect with my voice, please don't judge me because it's a really hard song. So starting out, you have this introduction, and I'm gonna do the entire song, and then I'll go through each piece and explain the details. So I'm gonna try and do the entire song. I'm caught up in your presence. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. Never wanna leave. I'm not here for blessings. Jesus, you don't know me anything more than anything that you can do. I just want you. I'm sorry when I just gone through the motions. I'm sorry when I just sang another song. Take me back to where we started. I open up my heart to you. I'm sorry when I've come with my agenda. I'm sorry when I forgot that you're enough. Take me back to where we started. I open up my heart to you. Caught up in your presence. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never wanna leave. Oh, I'm not here for blessing. Jesus, you don't know me anything more than anything that you can do. I just want you. Just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just want you. And nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just want you. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else will do. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never wanna leave. Oh, I'm not here for blessings. Jesus, you don't know me anything more than anything that you can do. I just want you. I just kind of end it like that. If you ever need help with what to play after a song and to add some like nice music or what to play during a sermon for background music, you can also check out pianoministrycourse.com. That's where I kind of go into the details of any situation you get into as in piano ministry. Anyway, so going into the song piece by piece, you might have noticed I didn't sing that spontaneous song because I was just like, okay, I barely learned the chorus and the verses. There's no way I'm going to tackle that spontaneous part right now, but I will show you the exact beats and exactly what to play for that part. So coming into the introduction, okay, going all the way back to the introduction, you have a D minor 7 chord. And what that looks like is you're going to play the 2 of the, so here's the D minor. You're going to play the 2, and then you're going to play the 7 over here. So you're just going to play F and C while playing D minor. And that's how it sounds. You're going to play that 4 times, and then, 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to switch your left hand to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C. 1, 2, 3. So during this part, when you're holding out C, you're going to hold it out for 8 beats, and you can do this optional thing, okay? It's kind of like the original, so. So it's kind of interesting to count it. So it's like you're going to hit the C. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end of the C, okay? So now doing it in regular time. So D minor, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Again, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually, sorry, I just missed it. The second time around for F, we're going to play something a little different. So you got your D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. For F, we're going to play F and E, but the E, play it really softly, okay? Not too much. 1, 2, 3. See how it adds that? But not like, you don't want to make it too strong, so barely. 2, 3, 4, and then back to C. Notice that these notes, so quiet. They have to be so quiet. Don't you dare do that. That's gonna sound really funny. So just do it as gentle as you can. Super quiet, okay? And then you end it off like that. So again, I'm gonna do it one more time. So 3, 4. I'm gonna go a little faster just for the sake of time. 'Caught up in your presence, You go straight into the verse while you're holding out that C. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm caught up in your presence. So you start on 3 and 4 of the last C. And then F, you're keeping your right hand the same way. D minor, F, same way. I just want it. And then for C, you just switch from F to E. Sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. So notice your right hand, you're literally keeping it on the same exact space. And then for C, you're just switching it like that. Moment, never want to leave. And you can do that thing for the C. Jesus, you don't know me anything. Kind of stay on that C. More than anything that you can do, I just want you. And in the original, they don't do that whole thing. After this, I just want you, and they just hold it out. I'm sorry. So anyway, that was the first chorus. It's very gentle. You're not hitting any other time except that one time. Super gentle, super slow, super soft. And then going into the verse 1, the chords are F. So instead of playing F like this, we're just gonna play 1 and 5. Sorry. When I've just gone through the motions, I'm sorry. So you can either play C, play the same thing with your right hand, and just play C. Take me back to where we started. So all you're switching is your left hand. Your right hand is staying the same. Open up my heart to you. So you can kind of do this after verse 1. Again, and then going to verse 2, same thing. I'm sorry. You're playing the same exact thing. Na, 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 na. Look at the only thing that changes. My left hand. Na, 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 na. So the only thing that really changes is the left hand, and then at the end you're playing this part. And then you're going straight into the chorus. And this time around you want the chorus to be a little stronger. In your presence, more powerful, more bass. But honestly, it really depends on you of how loud you want to do it. You could still do like kind of loud, but not too loud. Presence. I just want to sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never want to leave. So if you want to do it this way, I'm playing on the bass a little bit, but the most work, my right hand is doing the most work, okay? So just... When I play C, I switch from this position to this, okay? That's the only difference that I'm doing with my right hand, okay? Really easy. And when I'm switching to this, I'm automatically putting this finger here so that it would be ready to do this solo. Okay, so I just want to sit here at your feet. Notice it's loud, but it's not too loud because I'm not doing too much bass over here. I'm doing more work here. Okay, and then we go into the bridge, and so we end it off with I just want you. I just want you. Nothing else. Oh gosh. Sorry, I totally don't know. Okay. Just want you. Nothing else. so the way we're going to do that is we're going to come in really quietly. We're going to press on this. Nothing else. The only thing we're changing is the bass note here. Nothing else. So notice when I'm playing here, it's an A minor 7. So instead of playing an A minor like this, I'm just going to do 2 notes of A minor, the first and second, and I'm going to add the 7th here. So I'm going to play this. This is A minor, this is A minor 7. So again, just want you, nothing else. The only thing that changes is F here. Nothing else will do. And then just a solid G over here. And then again, I just want you, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else will do. I just want you. So now notice how we're picking up on the bass. Nothing else will do. I just want you. Nothing else, nothing else will do. You can get loud as you want, and then you go into the spontaneous part that I call, and how that's gonna look like is you are going to play F. Back to where it started. 4, 2, 3, 4. So you're doing an F, where it started, A minor 7. Then you're going to G. Again, A minor 7. When I first gave you love. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Just playing a regular C. And then G is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, F. 2, 3, 4. And then C, you're gonna hold it out for 8, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go into the G. So that's how the spontaneous part works. Just look at the chords again and just remember that almost last C is 8 beats. So all the rest is 4 beats, and then that very last C, I just want to bless your heart, Jesus. So the G comes after the Jesus part. So that's how it looks like. And then right after that, you go into the chorus. Caught up in your presence. Really nice and quiet, just the way we did it the first time. Anyway, that is the full tutorial. This was so long, I cannot believe it. And I will see you in the next free tutorial. Bye.